I'm here with Alessandro, owner and the guy that runs everything of American Biodental, American Holistic Care. Here's Bergman Family Chiropractic. We're gonna go on our way to the new hyperbaric chamber, which is right there. Now, it's not ready yet, but if anyone's familiar with contractors, what do they say? 2 weeks. 2 weeks, baby. So this is one of the largest hyperbaric chambers, 6-person, and you're not wrapped in a tube or anything else. Custom built. It's gonna look a little bit different than this, but this is solid. Check back in how long?
2 weeks.
6 months later.
Hyperbaric oxygen therapy chamber, brand new, super bitchin'. Let's check this out though. This comes with a wave generator, a plasma light generator to generate frequencies to not only help mitochondrial production, but also reverse disease process. But let's go inside. Look at this. This is not your standard tube. This is beautiful, comfortable, increasing oxygen while you're breathing pure O2, increasing that pressure so you get the perfusion of tissue. This is how you regenerate tissue and can reverse that disease process. I'll see you here.